Hey, what's going on YouTube? If you're new to the channel, my name is D and I represent New Touch Auto. What I don't represent is a bad installation. This video here is pretty much a prime example of why Plasti Dip gets a bad name or a bad rep. A customer may see it when it comes down to peeling the vehicle. An installer may see it when it comes down to peeling the vehicle because they installed it improperly. So somebody new to this will be like, nah, don't put that on your car. That's why. Because you got situations like this right here. So the issue that we have on this vehicle, we got AutoFlex on top of this, right? With AutoFlex, it don't pull like this. AutoFlex don't leave stuff behind like this, right? Purpose of AutoFlex is, now I wouldn't say the purpose, but the benefits to AutoFlex is it replicates automotive paint. So the clear coat was placed over this, but the issue came when it came down to what this clear coat is over. This is simply Plasti Dip underneath. This is why you got to follow instructions when you're working with removable paint products or any products. You want to follow the proper instructions because this is what you get over time. Everything will look good to you in the beginning, but over time, I would say probably a year or 6 months, you can get this right here. Now we down here in Florida and this is the type of stuff that sun does to your vehicle. Now with this Plasti Dip being underneath this AutoFlex, is damn near hell peeling it off. This stuff don't even come off. And to make it so bad, it's super thin. See that? Now how are we supposed to get that off if it's gonna peel like that? It's impossible. I mean, I'm talking about, I don't even think a base coat was placed down here. I'm talking about maybe 2 coats of the base color and then hit it with that AutoFlex with the pearls. Something had to go wrong. It makes it hard to peel with AutoFlex on this vehicle. If you got decals on here, they peel with the paint. Now this is how I know that this is Plasti Dip. That's a rubbery effect. AutoFlex doesn't have that. Proline doesn't even have that effect. So this rubbery feel lets me know that there's Plasti Dip underneath this AutoFlex. Now it's compatible. This is AutoFlex because you see that the coating is not brittle. It's not breaking up. It's coming off, but it's coming off with the paint, which is the way it should. But this is not the instructions that they give you when you're applying AutoFlex, Plasti Dip, Proline, or anything to that nature. I don't know what this customer was told, but cutting corners, man, you can't cut corners. You can't cut corners. I mean, I've done it when I first started, you know, thinking that it was okay, but realizing that you got to follow the full instructions. I've been doing this for a long time, so I know better. But for those of you out there who want to be a successful installer, run a successful wrap business, you want everything to come out properly. You don't want that customer to be doing this battle that I'm dealing with when they want to take their wrap off. Because if it was said to be, when you take this stuff off, the customer's gonna be like, nah, why would I do this to my car if it's gonna look like this and be hard to take off? It's hard to get those areas off this car. So what we gotta do, since this is Plasti Dip, we're gonna use dip dissolver. Dip dissolver gonna help us out with a pressure washer. And that's gonna help us out to clean this vehicle up. But you don't want your customer going through this right here. So you wanna be successful. You wanna be able to sleep at night. Follow instructions. Do not perform installations that are not meant for the vehicle or anything else to that nature. So we finally done with the video. Finally done with this wrap, man. I'm gonna keep it honest with you. It took 3 days just to take off this wrap. It was ridiculous. And the reason why it was ridiculous is because when you don't follow instructions and install this liquid spray wrap the proper way, you will have that issue. And you definitely, like I said, don't want your customer to go through that. Everything is peeled. Now we all set so we can go ahead and prep this vehicle to be rewrapped. And we're gonna wrap it the right way. Y'all wanna see the following results? Stay tuned. Thank y'all for watching this video. My subscribers, I appreciate y'all. For those who haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so. Hit that subscribe button below. Thank y'all for watching.